Here's Stones. Opted to go long this time, up towards Haaland. And Haaland's rolled holding, and on it goes to De Bruyne. And De Bruyne keeps on going. Brilliant! Terrific start from City. And De Bruyne, who's been a nemesis for Arsenal, it's the 7th time he's scored against them, gives City the early advantage. And Haaland, they're going down the middle again. De Bruyne has continued his run. Haaland! Great save by Ramsdale. Really good from the Arsenal goalkeeper. De Bruyne's delivery. Stones puts it in, but he's about to find out that City lead by 2-0. Ødegaard, it's a bit short. De Bruyne.